I'm glad that I choose the right company and basically work hard and give me the opportunity to be where I am today. My best part of the job is working with my crew. I have a very good crew that work for me, and they're well taken care of and well respected. And the company gave me the opportunity to attend classes inside the company, outside the company, to become a better manager. So it's a challenge, but thankful that they gave me the opportunity. I was able to send my kids to college. All 3 kids I sent to college, and now they have their own careers. And I'm proud that I'm still young and healthy, and now I can watch them enjoy their careers. My name is Taurino. I've been working for HydraForce 29 years, and I couldn't be happier.